Are you looking for a brand new construction home in Kissimmee, Florida, where you have beautiful high-end finishes and also money towards your closing cost? If that sounds too good to be true, well, stick around until the end so I can show you how this could be a wonderful opportunity for you. If this is your first time in this channel and you want to know about everything what Florida has to offer and where to find all of the beautiful communities with the most attractive incentives, then go ahead and click on that notification button, subscribe, so you can be the first one to know of all of the beautiful communities we are showcasing here as we go all throughout Florida. My name is Lana Ribeiro. I'm a real estate advisor here in the Sunshine Estate, and my passion is helping you find your home to live your dreams. My team and I get calls from people just like you every single day. So whether you're browsing or thinking about making the move in the next 3, 6, or 9 months, you can always reach out and we can connect to talk about your real estate goals and aspirations. We want to make sure your transition to the Sunshine Estate goes as smooth as possible. And if you are a local, we're here to help you as well. Hey guys, I am so excited to show you this beautiful house today. We are in Kissimmee, Florida, in a well-established community. Now, this beautiful house is a brand new construction. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 baths, beautiful flooring all throughout. I cannot wait to show you guys. But before that, we do have a lot of the beautiful commerce, restaurants, stores, all that you need, just about 10 to 15 minutes away from here. Orlando, it's about 45 minutes, and we also have the beautiful entertainment that Orlando has to offer just about 30 minutes from here as well. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this beautiful house is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and right as we enter, we're going to be looking at this beautiful door, very different. And the beautiful thing about this specific house is what you see is what you get. So you get all of the nice finishes for the price that you'll find out in just a few. But let's go ahead and take a look. This will be where your living room space would be. Right as you enter, you have this beautiful open concept space, vaulted ceilings to make this room much bigger than what it is. And we also have the fan, of course, already there for you. Beautiful oversized window to bring us that much natural light to this area of this house. Now, let's go and take a look as we enter to the heart of the home. So, here's one thing that I don't agree with it so much, but I want to hear your feedback in this. First of all though, let's take a look at this beautiful oversized island, huge. We have a lot of space for bar stools. We have all of our stainless steel appliances included. As you can see, we have our beautiful stove, microwave, dishwasher, everything that the house comes with, including the fridge. We know that some builders don't have it. In this case, this builder is adding all of the appliances in the kitchen, and that's what it comes with. So the other thing that I want you guys to take a look at is the beautiful light fixtures hanging over your island. I think that adds that more of an elegant look. So again, that's what they added, that's what it comes with, it's already there for you. And if you maybe are not fond of that look, you can always change it because the wiring is already there. So now, the one thing I'm not so happy about is this pantry. This is where your pantry is. In my opinion, it's very small. You tell me, what do you guys think about it? Will this be a deal breaker, or will it be something that you can compromise with? Because the price of the house is very, very good, and also the incentives. But you guys tell me, what do you guys think? So now let's keep looking. And the other thing about this beautiful floor plan is the fact that it's a split floor plan. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the 2 bedrooms that are on this side of the home and the bath that's right in the middle, and then we'll take a look at the other bedroom and the primary suite. Let's go. So right on this side of the house, we're going to find the full first bath that will be for the 2 bedrooms on this side, right? Now, I love the fact that this builder has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, because I always hear my clients say, hey, this is a 4-bedroom, 2 bath, what about the guest bathroom, right? So in this case, we have, as I'll show you that in a few, but this one will be the full bath that we have. And I love how beautiful and elegant this looks. Look at this beautiful tile here in your shower. You also have your granite countertop. It's just very elegant. It's very bright and beautiful over here. So now let's go ahead and go to the first bedroom. Before that, we do have a linen closet right over here for anything that you need for that bathroom, right? So now here's the bedroom. We have an oversized window looking out towards the street. You do have your fan, your light fixture already there. And we also have our beautiful closet with great space. Look at all of this. If you need more, you can always add a shelf and customize it to your needs. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the other bedroom. So on this side of the house, we're going to find the second bedroom, more or less the same size, same window, and the beautiful fan and light fixture already there for you. All you really need is your furniture, and boom, you are ready. Also, if you need this as an office, it will absolutely work as an office as well. The space is here, and of course, you do have your closet space as well. All right, so we're gonna go all the way to the back to see the third bedroom and the half a bath for your guest. So here it is. I love the whole tile all throughout the house. You don't see carpet in this beautiful house. So if that is something that you're looking for, let us know. We are here to make sure we find you the perfect home to live your dreams. All right, so here it goes. This is the half bath that we'll find. This will be for your guests. Like I said, a lot of 4-bedroom homes come with 2 bathrooms. In this case, we have a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. So this will be for your guests. And one very unique thing they did, they added an additional door out here that will take you straight to your patio. So if you were to build a pool out here, you'll have easy access. And even if you don't have a pool, if you're out here barbecuing with your family and friends, you have easy access through this door without having to go through the main area of your home. So what do you guys think about that? You let me know, and let's keep on looking. So right on this side where you find this beautiful light fixture hanging all the way from those vaulted ceilings, it's going to be your dining room. So big enough for a table of 6, 8 people, just depending on what you need in your style, but you will have the view and your door towards your patio right from here. So I love it so much so far. You guys let me know, what do you guys think? But now on this side of the home, we're going to find the laundry room and the primary room, which I very much love. So let's go. So here it is, laundry area. You have a space for your washer and dryer. You have already a shelf up there so you can put all of your detergent and all the things that you need. Big enough, a lot of space, and of course you have this door that will take you to your 2-car garage. All right, so we are almost done with the tour of this house. Now let's go ahead and take a look at more storage space, which, as you guys know, it's one of my favorite things to find. Doors that give us a space to store all of our things. So this is right outside your laundry room for you to make sure to keep yourself organized. So let's get into this beautiful, beautiful master primary suite. Look at all of this space you have, big enough for a king-size bed, your nightstands, and your dresser. And the one thing I love about this specific area of this house is the closet space, because we have not 1, but 2 walk-in closets. So we're gonna have one on each side of this little hallway, and we have one over here and the other one. So depending on your needs, you know what to do with these 2 spaces. So now, of course, the dual vanity sink over here with the granite countertops, very beautiful. And the other thing I love about this bathroom is this shower. We don't have only 1 shower head, we have 2. And you have this space where you can just sit and relax and take a nice deep breath. Love it. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is very useful just to hang out, relax, hear the water, and just start your day. So now, this bathroom of course has a toilet, and we have a private door for it, which is very important. So we are done with this side of the home. Guys, what do you think so far? Let me know. But we'll go peek outside really quick, and then we'll talk about numbers and the price of this home. Let's go. And we are almost done with this, guys, but take a look at this beautiful patio area. You have all of this space to do whatever it is you need. Like I said, you can build a pool, you can make a bigger patio out here with maybe adding some pavers, anything you need. But this is one of the reasons why people move to Florida, to be able to enjoy the weather year round. So let me know, what do you guys think? And now let's go ahead and talk about incentives and of course the price of this beautiful house in just a few. So we are here now to talk about how much is this beautiful house and all of the incentives that it comes with. But before that, thank you so much for watching, for sticking until now. Again, we are in Kissimmee, Florida. We are in a well-established community. There is an HOA, and we'll talk about that in just a few. But again, this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, brand new construction home in Kissimmee. Now, this beautiful community, the HOA is about $82 a month, and this will include your cable and your internet. And of course, you also have access to the community pool, trails, parks, and fitness centers. Now, the price for this house, they are asking $329,000, and the builder is offering you up to 3% of the price towards your closing costs to either buy down your rate or to pay for your closing cost. So if that is something that you're interested in, if this is something that you're looking for more or less in this specific area, let us know, because this is the last home this specific builder has. Now, as you can see, we are in an established community. This was one of those scattered lots that they called it, where they built a brand new home, and they don't do that quite often. This is not a brand new community. Like I said, it's an established community, but whenever builders do find those scattered lots, they can buy them and build beautiful houses just like this one. So this is one of the last ones I have. I think the price is excellent for what we get, especially if this is the area that you're looking for. So don't forget, give us a call, shoot us a text message, and we can create an individualized real estate plan for your success. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Lana Ribeiro, find your home, live your dreams.